we are all ready to hit that 1K mark. And if you ain't there yet, this is a video for you, and I could advise you to keep on watching to the end because we about to drop gems on how to get to 1K. And let's go. What's up, Bookie Besties? Jumping right into this video, y'all. We are going in hard. The first question I have for y'all, how many emails do you guys have? How many emails do you have that is connected to your YouTube that you are able to go and switch your profile and go watch your video that you just posted a minute ago on? How many of y'all can tell me how many Gmails you have? Because personally, me on my phone, I got 5. So I watch my videos 5 times from different platforms. You hear you? Yes, ma'am. That's another way to get you 4,000 watch hours, and that's another way to get you subscribers, even though it's you watching you. You get what I'm saying? That is a significant way to get you subscribers and watch hours, because it's helping other people. If you are a low platform, see that you have a little bit of subscribers, and now they want to subscribe. Now they see that you're not at a bare minimum 0, and that you have something on you to gain from. So now they want to subscribe to you. Now they want to be boo besties. Now, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, how many Gmails do you have? Like I say, my fiance has about 10. I got about 5. So that's 15 likes and 15 comments I could put on my own page, on my own post, on a video that I just dropped not even an hour ago, to attract more people, to make them want to comment, to make them want to like. You get what I'm saying? All right, y'all, boo besties. Another way, how many of y'all have someone that you really, really admire? Somebody that is your icon, somebody that you feel like that you can wake up to, listen to a daily inspiration, or just get motivated by this person every single day you cut their video on. If there is someone like that in your niche, or someone that you just inspire just by getting up, you go into their recent video, you drop it into their comments, and you say, "New subscriber here." Man, y'all, watch how many comments you have saying sub here, subbed and done, and all this other type of stuff. You don't say sub to nobody. You drop it in the comments under somebody's post that you admire, and you say, "New YouTuber here, all YouTubers gather. Let's say something to make them intrigued to want to come and like that comment and want to comment up under your comment." Once you have a lot of comments, or even 1 to 2 comments under that comment that you commented under a person that you are inspired by, that is your icon, that you really get motivated by, you go into those comments and you subscribe to everybody in those comments under your post. You subscribe to everybody in your post, under your post. You go watch a video beginning to the end. You like it and you comment on their post. Do you hear you? And watch how many subscribers you get. Y'all, I'm telling you, this method has worked for me. I am a living witness when it comes to getting subscribers. If you have not noticed, this is January the 22nd. I have literally climbed since January 6th all the way up to 1,100 subscribers. I was at 1,200, which we will get back. But I am at 1,100 subscribers. And only reason why I say used to be at 12, because some reason why everybody that you subscribe to, keep in mind, y'all, they unsubscribe sometimes when they subscribe to you. So you have to be mindful about that. But as long as you do what you're supposed to do, at the end of the day, God will award you. You hear you? He will award you for doing what you're supposed to do. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing. If they unsubscribe, you be true and you be honest and you keep subscribing and showing love. And I promise you, it will show in return. So once y'all do that, I know y'all, another thing, once you make that long content, you take a short out of that long form content. Take a snippet out of that long form that you just dropped. Put it into shorts, put it on Instagram, put it on Facebook, and put it on TikTok. Now that TikTok is back. And you cross post. And watch how many people is coming from TikTok to Facebook, from Instagram to YouTube. Y'all, I done had so many people in my comments saying coming from TikTok, coming from you, coming from shorts. You know what I'm saying? That makes me so happy that my platform is being seen from all over. You get what I'm saying? I just was demotivated yesterday, but I got remotivated when I went on my page and I seen that YouTube search had went up to 5.0%, that they are, putting me on their homepage. So I'm in the browser features. I'm on shorts, like highest than ever. Like, y'all gotta abuse these platforms. And if you're not abusing them, then you're not gonna get them 1,000 subscribers, y'all. But the most important thing is to engage and be consistent. Posting daily is another thing that will get you your 1,000 subscribers, because you are being momentum, you are being determined, you are being Discipline. You're being consistent. You are posting. You're knowing what to post. When you do these posting consistently and posting daily things, you start to find out what you need, what you're lacking, what you need more of when it comes to your page. You get what I'm saying? You start looking more into your analytics and seeing where people are dropping off and coming in or watching your video from beginning to the end. You hear what I'm saying? You will know if you need to shorten it or make it longer. You get what I'm saying? You have people watching a 5-minute video and it's going all the way to beginning to the end. Make it 10 minutes. You get what I'm saying? Make it longer as you go, so your subscribers will watch your videos to beginning to end, and that will also get you your 4,000 watch hours, y'all. If I ain't told you nothing else, this video right here is to get them 1,000 subscribers. And if you ain't get your 1,000 subscribers by these methods I just dropped, then you ain't doing right. You get what I'm saying? We got to be committed. We got to put our mind to it, and we just got to pick up that phone and just do it. We have days. I had days yesterday, but we just got to do it, y'all. Is to go to your YouTube studio, which we have a video right here that we have linked and that we have already dropped. So go ahead and watch that video because it has more information about it. But you guys go to your YouTube studio, go down to settings. Once you hit settings, you're going to go down to channel. You're going to see general. You're going to go down to channel because channel is under general. Once you hit channel, you're going to see basic info. You're going to see advanced info. You're going to hit basic info and you're going to go down to the description or where it say tags. You're going to add your name first. Your name is going to go first in that spot. First, LaKimbria Blake's LaKimbria. Any way you can to switch up your name so when it comes to somebody looking up your video, your name pops up on that video. So right after you put your name in there in any type of way and form that you can be looked up, you also go right beside it and you drop down any tags that you have that your video is about. If your channel is about YouTube, you put YouTube, anything about optimizing tips, growth tips, YouTube, algorithm, anything, those hashtags, but make sure you put a comma after it. After you do that, you guys, you are going to save it, publish it, and that's it. And that's enough said, Bookies. I will see you in another video.